Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about REBUS project. It is part of the Cosmos ecosystem. I did cover some of the topics about this project before, talking about the airdrop, what they are doing, my price prediction, and since then it's a lot of updates from the team, some development and announcements made, so I do want to make another video and talk about those updates and show you those new initiatives from them. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and second thing before it, I also want to say, like, don't be worry a lot, don't be angry, please be patient, don't feel depressed. It's very crazy times in crypto now, but please be strong and we will survive through this bear market, and I hope it will be finished like sooner than later, but please feel strong. And let me go to REBUS. So for those of you who are not very familiar with the project, it is a DeFi project which is bringing all the DeFi utilities to traditional finance, and it gives more mainstream option for a lot of people who are not familiar and don't feel comfortable using all those apps from DeFi space, and they want these features and their products to be implemented to the banks and gives more mass adoption for crypto. So the idea in general very great. They already built the products SKUs very greatly, and you could go to their white paper, read through them, so overall it seems nice. And yeah, let me start with the first news. It is osmosis external incentives activated starting on November 7th, this Monday. So it is a reward pool of 1,695,000 of REBUS, and the RPRs are quite good in my opinion, up to 800. Those are in the beginning in most of the cases, but it also good. And it is even more bullish because like osmosis was listed recently on Binance Exchange, and also, if I'm not mistaken, also crypto.com. So it means that more and more people are aware of osmosis, are going to be part of this DEX, and meaning that more people will also be part of the pool and swap to REBUS, something like that. So just more people into the Cosmos ecosystem. Also, another news from last week, it is announcement of BitMart Exchange Listing, and also this Monday they did list REBUS on their platform, and great to see the first exchange listed REBUS, and I hope it's good be a good start for other exchanges to list. I'm waiting personally for Max Exchange, which is one of the largest exchanges for all small cap coins, and I'm using it very oftenly, and this is a good one in my opinion. So I'm waiting REBUS to be listed on Max Exchange, once you are listed on one exchange, it's much easier to chase in other exchanges for listing, and again it's more audience to join REBUS. And I highly recommend to go to their Medium account, follow them. They list put a lot of articles describing their new features. So for example, they did describe this NFTID, so this is identity with REBUS, talking about this new functionality, what they're working on, their vision, and it looks great. So they're talking about how it works from technical side, from custom user interface, and I think that the crypto which is thinking about like this identification part, it is on top of things and on crypto, because I see this trend, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be part of any other platforms and ecosystem later on. But the first like projects are implementing this, they definitely benefit a lot. So in this case, I think that it's good that they're doing this feature, and it's a lot of information for you to read and make some deeper research. So this is good in my opinion. And also it is another coin they launched called LUDUS, is if I pronounce it correctly. So, and they're also sharing the information about this. This is limited supply crypto with 21k only, and with potential unlimited amount of use cases, generated a healthy token economy, and given its almost intrinsic value. What does it mean? I will check it after I film it. Yeah, so they also sharing what is this. It's unique ability creative verification protocol consisting of three distinct layers: community voting through LUDUS, approval of the validators, approval of REBUS itself, some other things to learn. I will also put the thread talking about this introduction, what is it, how you could be like part of it, and yeah, it's also shown in their app with assets and here. And for trade for staking, the rewards are very great so far. I'm staking it with great what's happening, with very great rewards, and continue doing it. So, and it's also going to be some more unlocks for the airdrop with minting this NFTID identity on REBUS. In this case, it's going to be another unlock of some of the tokens. It's going to be about 40% more tokens to be unlocked, at least for me, with completing mission 4 and mission 5. So those features are in progress, and even that they're making this not from scratch, with all the features one by one, it means that people continue holding the tokens, and the price is very good. Even now with this 30 cents, it was on the top of 40 cents, and the airdrop amount is very great, and one of the largest I had from those Cosmos ecosystem airdrops so far. So cool to have it, lucky us who was part of this one. And even overall, they're very active on their social media, and providing some tutorials, guides how to stake, and some talking about different features. So it's something makes me feel even more strong and confident about the project. And they even had this AMA session. I will also put the link in the description for this, because this call is saved, so you could also learn some more from this call, and it's good to follow, learn more about the team, because they were all part of this call, and yeah, you could also check in the Medium about like them, because they have some also information provided in here. So I love how this project structured, what they're doing. So I will keep looking into this one and waiting for other features implemented. We'll do this mint of NFTID to unlock the airdrop, and also use REBUS vaults once it's ready. And people will definitely lock, a lot of people in my opinion will lock their staking rewards in there, even to have this airdrop unlock. And once people lock the crypto, I think that it could be some vaults like up to 4 years, and the longer you put in vaults, the higher RPR, so people tend to put for the longer period, receiving higher rewards. So it will definitely benefit the price and the chart of this coin potentially, and we are going to be ready for the upcoming bull market. I truly believe it's coming, maybe not tomorrow, but yeah, it's definitely will be a good future for us. And I think REBUS is one of the coins we need to have for the next bull market. And yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.